Every antenna is born from meticulous craftsmanship across countless processes. Today, join us on its journey, unveiling the entire process from individual components to final product. Automated cable stripping, a key process in base station antenna cable pretreatment. It efficiently cuts entire spools of coaxial cable. Stripping speed reaches 1 to 3 cables per second, with stripping length tolerance is less than or equal to 0.1 millimeters. Connector automation equipment features automated crimping and welding functions. From positioning connectors and pre-cut cables to crimping and welding, the entire process is streamlined, significantly reducing manual intervention. Radiator production. As the core component of an antenna radiating elements, radiators are processed using 6-axis industrial robots equipped with specialized welding tools. Self-developed system programs ensure precise workpiece positioning and automatic flipping. Wave soldering equipment forms a stable wave of molten solder to immerse and solder radiator pins to PCB pads. Program control combined with mechanical limit design prevents cable assembly errors from the source. Robotic arms carry 2 2-4 independent welding heads, coordinating with automatic flipping devices to enable multi-area simultaneous soldering. Phase shifter welding equipment is precision welding head uniquely designed to easily handle soldering in confined spaces between phase shifter cores, and PCBs ensures accurate alignment of pre-assembled front-end components. Automated assembly line flexibly adjusts production tempo to ensure smooth transitions between assembly stages. After thorough process quality control (PQC) inspection, products flow to the next assembly line. Open absorber test area. Qualifying products are transferred here for S-parameter debugging using network analyzers. Test chamber features a self-modified shaker table simulating real-world vibration conditions, enabling precise intermodulation testing under dynamic operating states. Independent research and development of radome high-precision punching equipment can be completed in one go. Multi-position drilling operation for large workpieces. Hole machining accuracy plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. High-precision radome drilling equipment self-developed performs multi-position drilling on large workpieces in a single operation, achieving hole position accuracy of plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Sealing process. A progressive pump evenly dispenses sealant along preset pads into end cap groups. Pressurized bonding between end caps and housings promotes uniform adhesive dispersion, enhancing sealing performance. Packaging. Flexible robotic grippers gently place products into cartons. Automatic sealing mechanisms complete box closure and strapping, finalizing the packaging process.